In this particular video, I am going to show you how you can convert your dog 10k to $1,000 right now, and this is going to be massive. So remember, this is not for financial advice, it is for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to make your own further research before jumping into conclusion. All right, so we all know when this particular airdrop currently launched, we were actually laying at this price, then it was staying around this side, which we are actually waiting for it to pump. All right, so if you currently hold at this side, right at this side at that time, by now you are going to be seeing a upward trend, a massive profit, you can see, which is about 0016, right? And before now we currently was having about 001. All right, so we are going to see upward trend, but also it can also be in other way around, that it will have fall down to this and it is going to be a 0 for us. But with this particular update now, we can actually still strategize and actually make more money on this platform. All right, so this is what I think we can do, right? So if we check out the time, we are going to see how the graph has been in the last 24 hours, and you can check out the information also to increase the increment of market cap, and because it is currently very important. So right, if you check out this particular site, you are going to see the fully diluted market cap is currently increasing about 829 million, and also the market cap is increasing also, right? Dog is currently ranking about 76 in the exchange rate, right? And you can see the current all-time high for this project was at 0.018, and this is currently massive. So this is what we can currently do. So if you come back to the price and you come back to like 1 hour ago, you are going to see how massively it has actually boosted up. All right, so the crypto market is trying to gather up itself back, and this is going to be coming up very soon. So there's still going to be a drop on this particular project, and I actually feel this project is one of the projects that are going to be having great potential. So for me, I'm going to wait a little more, right? So when this particular project comes down again to about this price, so once it comes down to about this price, about 0.001 or 0.00, then you can buy in more of this. So once you buy in more, then it's still going to come up. By the time the crypto market actually increase back, it's still going to come back up. So that is something about that. But you need to know that the more you invest, the more money you're going to be making. So it has to be high capital. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so do well to make your own personal research if you are doing anything I said in this particular video. I love you all.